Good evening, India. Welcome back to DJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. JMM BJP lock horns over free schemes in Jharkhand. In Jharkhand election, tensions are rising as the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, JMM and Bharatiya Janata Party BJP battle over welfare schemes to WOO voters. JMM's Maiya Saman Yojana, offering rupees 1,000 monthly to over 5 million women, has seen 3 payments so far. BJP criticized this, accusing JMM of election tactics, referring the unfulfilled promise of rupees 2,000 cooking allowance. In response, BJP launched the Gogo Didi Yojana, promising rupees 2,100 monthly if they come to power. JMM has denounced BJP's schemes as unconstitutional. As elections near, the rivalry intensifies with both parties promising bigger benefits. Darbhanga Airport expands. Indigo to begin new flights. Darbhanga Airport is set to improve connectivity as flights to Delhi and Mumbai commence soon, thanks to Janata Dal United JDU leader Sanjay Jha's efforts. Jha confirmed that Indigo Airlines applied for 2 flight slots with services expected to start on December 1. The flights are part of his long-standing push for upgrading Darbhanga's infrastructure, including extending the runway. This development promises to boost the region's accessibility and economic potential. Jha's continuous lobbying with the Civil Aviation Ministry helped realize this crucial improvement in regional air connectivity. Bhojpuri actor Ritesh Pandey joins politics. Eyes Bhabua. Political Bhojpuri star Ritesh Pandey is the latest celebrity to enter politics, running in the upcoming Bhabua Assembly elections. Pandey, known for his work in the Bhojpuri film industry, promises reforms in education and development in the constituency. His candidacy is generating buzz, particularly in Bhabua's Brahmin-dominated electorate. While Pandey hasn't revealed his political affiliation, his campaign has focused on local infrastructure and educational improvements. Following the trend of actors like Manoj Tiwari and Ravi Kishan, Pandey's entry adds new dynamics to the race. ED seizes rupees 25 crore of Arun Yadav's properties. The Enforcement Directorate ED seized rupees 25 crore worth of assets belonging to Arun Yadav, a former MLA and close aide of RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav, as part of an ongoing money laundering investigation. Yadav's properties, including several in his wife Kiran Devi's name, were acquired through allegedly illegal means linked to sand mining activities. ED's probe is part of a larger investigation involving the Yadav family in Benami transactions and land deals. This crackdown is seen as a major step in tightening the noose around Lalu Yadav's associates and their alleged illegal earnings. Tejaswi Yadav's bungalow dispute sparks political war. In Bihar, a row over a government bungalow has ignited political tensions between Tejaswi Yadav of RJD and JDU leaders. Tejaswi threatened legal action after alleging that his residence had been wrongly occupied, leading to mockery from JDU ministers. Shravan Kumar of JDU ridiculed Tejaswi's defamation warnings, highlighting Tejaswi's own legal issues. The dispute has evolved into a border political battle, adding to the already tense rivalry between RJD and JDU as elections approach. The bungalow controversy reflects the intensifying political friction in Bihar's pre-election landscape.